interrupt your video? Hello world!
What is up, everyone? It is Peyton and I'm back with another video for you guys. Since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I thought it would be a good idea to do a little Valentine's Day look. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to be doing for this look, so if you want to come along on this adventure of a makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows and I put on moisturizer, primer, and some of my MAC Coconut Fix Plus. This is by far, hands down, better than the original Fix Plus. Get the coconut one, not the rose, not the lavender, the coconut. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing two of my foundations. I'm going to be mixing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. What I like to do, or what I've recently been doing, is I'll take my brush and I'll actually spritz it with my MAC Coconut Fix Plus water. Concealer as always, Shape Tape, can't go wrong. Can never go wrong with some Shape Tape. Now when you officially look like a ghost, you're done, you're ready to go out for the night, go clubbing, meet your soulmate, have a family, have kids, looking like this. And I'm just going to set that with my Laura Mercier powder, blabity bloobity. You guys know the drill. And to bronze, all I'm going to be going in with today is my Benefit Hoola. So I think for my eyes, I'm just going to do something light, because I wouldn't do anything too extra. And I want this look to be wearable, you know, sensible. And then to go a little bit more in depth, I'm going to take my skinnier contouring brush to get right in the hollows of the cheeks. For blush, I'm going to be using my Nars Deep Throat little... Ooh! Ah. And then for highlight, instead of my So Hollywood from Anastasia, I'm going to be using my Cracked Champagne Pop. And now I'm going to zoom you guys in so that we can get going on the eyes. First, going to start off by prepping my eyelids with this Master Conceal. And I'm actually not going to be setting it today. I saw something on YouTube from Daisy Marquez. She doesn't set her concealer. And it makes your colors like pop more, like to be more pigmented. So now that that's down, we're going to go in with our first color, and that's just going to be a transition color, so it's going to be just a light brown, and I'm using that from the top row of the Jaclyn Hill palette. Next, coming from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be using Love Letter and Venetian Red to deepen the crease. And with those two colors, I'm just going to go ahead and bring it onto my bottom lash line because they're going to end up there anyways. I got powder in my eye. Now, to deepen up the outer corner, I'm going to go in with a maroon shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know that this palette came with a little shield of names, and I wish I would have kept them because that'd be helpful right now. This is going a lot darker than I thought it would be, but I'm confident. I'm staying hopeful. I'm going to cut the crease real quick and I will be right back. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going to go in with the pink shade on the top row that is closest to the right. And it's like a rose gold, pinky champagne color. And I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. And I'm just going to go in with that dark maroon shade, brownish shade, to smoke out and get rid of this ugly line. And for a little extra glam, I'm going to be going in with my Stila Glitter Diamond Dust, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And I almost forgot, but to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be using the two shades in the first row in the upper left-hand corner. Okay, so this is definitely not wearable. I'm going to go put my lashes and my eyeliner on off camera, and I will be right back to finish up the lips. Alright guys, so I just did a thin liner on my upper lash line, and then for my eyelashes I used the Ardell Wispies. Not the demis, the fulls. I've upgraded. And now for lips, I'm going to be doing a combo, and this is going to be the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Long Wearing Lipstick, the shade Chihuahua. How cute. And then for my other one, I'm going to be using the Retro Matte Lip Color in the shade Burnt Spice. Chihuahua's a little bit more pink, so I'm going to put that one down first, and then I'm going to put the more nudie one on top. Okay, I changed my mind. I'm gonna put the matte one down first and then this one, because this one is glossy. And to completely finish off the look, we can't forget our setting spray. And I'm going to be using same old Urban Decay All Nighter, even though this is coming off right after we're done. Okay, before we get done, I think I want to add a little bit more highlighter, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I am finally done, I think. I just needed to add the little pop. We needed that. We needed that. This was not what I expected, but I'm not mad at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed me being extra as I think I could possibly get. Sorry. But I love how this turned out, and I actually really like this lip combination. And I've never done it before, so I'm glad I learned something myself with doing this video. I think the inner corners are a bit much in the under, but that's okay. That's what Valentine's Day is for, because I know me. Well, actually, no, I'm not going to be extra on Valentine's Day. I'm going to be laying down with some pizza and some Scandal, because me and the boo are watching Scandal. Don't spoil it for me, because it is so good right now, but we're only at like the middle of season 2, so we have a ways. I'll keep you guys updated. But as always, if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm super impressed with like how many subscribers I'm getting. I honestly thought I would get absolutely none. And I know I only have about 33 right now, but it's honestly growing a lot faster than I thought it would. So thank you guys for all the support, and let's continue to keep it going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep an eye out for my next video. It's going to be something very special with possibly a guest star. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.